Hi, I am Parul and you're watching this video by justtutors.com. In this video, we'll be learning about lines and angles, in which we'll cover various types of lines, that's pairs of lines, and angles made by a transversal line. So before we proceed with pairs of lines, we have some questions here as warm-up. You can pause this video to try these questions. So our first question is, what is the sum of complementary angles? So the sum of complementary angles is 90 degrees. Then we have what is sum of linear pair. So if you remember, linear pair looks like this. So that's a linear pair, and as it is formed on a straight line, so definitely the sum of linear pair is 180 degrees. Now our last question here is, which of these is an adjacent angle? If we talk about this first angle given here, we can see that these angle 1 and angle 2 are not sharing a common vertex. So that's not an adjacent angle. Then coming to next one, we can see that angle 3 is overlapping on angle 2. So even these two are not adjacent angle. Coming to the last one, they have a common vertex, they share a common arm, and they are not overlapping on each other. So yes, definitely angle 4 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. Pat your back if all your answers are correct. Well done. Now we proceed with pairs of lines. So the first pair of line that we have here are intersecting lines. So intersecting lines are those lines which cross each other at some point or the other. So definitely they are not parallel. And the point of intersection is where those two lines are intersecting or crossing each other. Then we have a transversal line. So a transversal line is a line which is intersecting two or more lines at distinct point. So like in this case, we have these two parallel lines, and the third line which is crossing both or intersecting both of them, that's transversal line. Now let's move ahead with angles made by transversal line. So the first angle that we have here are corresponding angles. So in this case, corresponding angles are on the same side of transversal line. So always corresponding angles will be on the same side and are in corresponding position. So it will be like above or below, left or right, relative to the two lines. So like angle A and angle E, these two are corresponding angles. Angle B, angle F are corresponding angles. Angle D, angle H are corresponding angles, and angle C, angle G are corresponding angles. Now we have alternate interior angles. So as the name suggests, they are alternate to each other and interior to the parallel lines. So in this case, angle D and angle F are alternate interior angles, and angle C and angle E are alternate interior angles. And the most important point about alternate interior angles are that they are equal. So angle D is equal to angle F and angle C equals to angle E. Then we have alternate exterior angles. So angle A equals to angle G. They'll be on alternate sides, opposite sides. So, and angle B equals to angle H, and they, as the name suggests, it's exterior, so they will be outside the two parallel lines. Then we have vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are like angle A and C, they are equal. Angle B equals to angle D, angle E equals to angle G, angle F equals to angle H. Then we have angles on same side of transversal. So like these two are parallel lines and this is transversal. So the interior angles formed on each side of transversal are supplementary. So that means angle C plus angle F is 180 degrees. Angle D plus angle E equals to 180 degrees. So based on these types of angles, here are some questions for you. You can pause this video to try these questions. And once you're done, please make sure you check your answers from here. Pat your back if all your answers are correct. Well done. Thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.